Welcome back to Technify, your trusted space for camera reviews and all things filmmaking. Today, we're diving into the mysterious and captivating world of black and white photography with the Leica Q3 Monochrom, a premium compact camera built for those who live for the art of pure light and shadow. With a newly refined monochrome sensor, sleek German craftsmanship, and a philosophy that puts simplicity and storytelling first, this camera is in a league of its own. Stick around as we explore what makes the Q3 Monochrom such a compelling choice for serious photographers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a moment of camera excellence. A purist's dream: the Leica Q3 Monochrom. The Q3 Monochrom is part of Leica's long-standing dedication to black and white photography. It's the evolution of a concept that strips photography down to its essentials: contrast, form, emotion, and light. At a time when color science and AI filters dominate conversations, the Q3 Monochrom flips the narrative, reminding us that sometimes, less is more. This camera is built for purists. It doesn't shoot color at all. Instead, it features a dedicated monochrome sensor that forgoes the traditional Bayer filter, allowing it to capture true luminance information directly and with remarkable clarity. That means no debayering, no interpolation, just raw, unfiltered black and white image data with more dynamic range and detail than a converted color file could ever match. Sensor technology and image fidelity. At the core of the Q3 Monochrom is a full-frame, high-resolution monochrome sensor, likely exceeding 60 megapixels. This results in incredible detail, even at pixel level. Textures are beautifully rendered, and the tonal gradation, especially in skin tones and shadow transitions, is just stunning. Because there's no color filter array to block or scatter light, the sensor can absorb significantly more information per pixel. The result: deeper blacks, more subtle highlights, and nuanced midtones that make every photo feel cinematic. The Q3 Monochrom shines in low light too. It maintains excellent image quality at high ISOs, letting you shoot handheld at night or in dim interiors without the noise you'd expect from such high resolution. Its ability to render rich detail with minimal grain, even at ISO 6400 or beyond, puts it in a class of its own. Lens excellence. The Summilux 28mm f/1.7. Attached to the body is the legendary Summilux 28mm f/1.7 ASPH, a fixed lens that's as sharp as it is versatile. At f/1.7, it performs beautifully in low light and creates a smooth, natural bokeh without losing any of that Leica crispness. The 28mm focal length gives you a broad field of view, ideal for street photography, documentary, and environmental portraiture. It's wide, but not too wide. You can get up close to your subject while still capturing their context, something black and white photographers often aim for to build visual storytelling. And because the lens is specifically matched to the sensor, you get minimal distortion and edge-to-edge sharpness, even wide open. Design philosophy and build. Holding the Q3 Monochrom feels like holding a precision instrument. It carries the same clean, minimalist body design Leica is famous for. There's no red Leica on the front, a quiet nod to discretion, letting the design speak for itself. The camera body is carved from a solid block of magnesium alloy, with a sleek matte finish and full weather sealing, making it suitable for travel, street work, or unpredictable shooting environments. Ergonomically, it's well balanced. The grip is subtle but functional, and everything from the button layout to the tactile feel of the shutter has been carefully refined. This is a camera that's not trying to compete with every other camera. It's focused on giving you the most direct path from vision to image. User experience and interface. Leica has always leaned toward simplicity, and the Q3 Monochrom's UI is no exception. It features a high-resolution OLED viewfinder with excellent clarity and responsiveness, along with a tilting rear LCD that makes low-angle and waist-level shooting much easier than its predecessors. The touchscreen is responsive and cleanly laid out. Everything you need is easy to access, but nothing gets in the way. Focus options include fast, silent autofocus, as well as manual focusing with magnification and focus peaking, which Leica does exceptionally well. The Q3 Monochrom supports zone focusing, too perfect for fast-paced street photography where timing is everything. Connectivity and workflow integration. Leica has also improved connectivity. The Q3 Monochrom pairs seamlessly with the Leica Photos app, allowing for wireless image transfer, remote control, and live preview. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are rock solid, making this camera far more functional in modern workflows than earlier generations. It also supports USB-C direct charging and data transfer, which is a welcome addition for working professionals and those who like to edit quickly on the move. The monochrome shooting mindset. What sets the Q3 Monochrom apart isn't just its tech, it's the way it changes how you see. Shooting monochrome is a different experience. You're no longer distracted by color, you start thinking about light direction, shape, pattern, emotion. Each shot feels more intentional. It slows you down in a good way. It trains your eye. It forces you to wait for that perfect light or that meaningful gesture. It's not for everyone, and it's not trying to be. But for those who fall in love with black and white photography, this camera becomes less of a tool and more of a companion. The Leica Q3 Monochrom isn't just another compact camera, it's a statement piece for photographers who understand the beauty of light and shadow. With a high-resolution monochrome sensor, timeless design, and razor-sharp optics, this camera invites you to create with depth and honesty. It's not for everyone, and that's exactly the point. If you're serious about black and white photography and want a camera that elevates your creative process, the Q3 Monochrom might be the perfect fit. Thanks for tuning in to Technify. If you found this video inspiring, give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comments, and share it with fellow photo lovers. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you stay updated on all our latest reviews and insights. Until next time, keep shooting, keep exploring, and keep creating with purpose. See you in the next video.